I think that Dave's message and his delivery and the exuberance in which he delivered it is second to none. We've been attending these exchanges for probably 25 years. We've had safety speaker after safety speaker, and while the message that they gave was informative, I think this hits home because in the past it's always driven by empirical data and numbers. We've never looked at it from approaching it from the heart, and the sensitivity of becoming part of what the workers are dealing with. It's always been driven by numbers, and it certainly gives a different approach to think about it. So fantastic job. That's phenomenal. Now look at the guy. Come on, man. You can't beat that.
Tell him what you thought.
Wonderful. Dave, it wasn't just a home run. It was a knock out of the park. I want to tell you something. There were tears in these people's eyes. I could see them wiping the tears away from their eyes as you talked to their heart. You were motivated. And what's the most important thing, David, is I had so many people come up after the conference and said, we're going to hire that guy.
Wow.
We're going to hire that guy to bring him to Oklahoma.
Thanks, Blaine.